another. So much so that referee Jim Curtin was over to give them both a chat. But let's see what happens here in the opening seconds. They're going to go. You could see this coming from a mile away. And Kessie, in his first fight as a T-Bird, starts swinging. 2 seconds into the game with Abate. Kessie with a couple of rights over the top. Abate hanging in there, but Kessie chucking some uppercuts now. And he throws Abate down to the ice. Teamers trying to dig it loose. Brunet at the left point will skate it into the middle now. Brunet on the right wing, Poitras stepping in. Poitras in low, Merkulov to the front, Minten, he scores. In front, Jurenko had moved all the way down in the corner. Now it's loose to the front of the net, and Minten's got himself another. At the right point, in low, Merkulov, man open in front. Minten shoots, saves Jurenko. Jurenko then barreled into. From Kessie out near the blue line, now into the slot, he fires, knocked down in front of the net, the rebound is there, and Minten has a... Traffic in front, beats across. Dvorsky stopped by DiPietro, who came all the way across. Rebound, Karem's in! Into the slot with it. Back at the blue line, Fraser Minten, a shot into traffic, they score! Point shot blocked into the slot, second try, a save, Jurenko, and a quick whistle bails the T-Birds out. The Poitras shot squeezed through Jurenko's leg. Well, the T-Birds certainly just got a lifeline there. So a Bear team that will punch their ticket to the Calder Cup playoffs if that score holds up in Chicago. They'll become the first team in the East to punch their ticket to the postseason. Bruins did everything they wanted to here this afternoon, and Fraser Minten in his first game against the team.